It's turned black sometimes.
Alright, look into this other video. I'll be mad that the other video didn't show up, 'cause that was like 35 minutes of 40. Oh, that video's still here.
You can skip this part if you want to. It's probably gonna be like an hour.
Yep.
Or two.
Maybe, or 3, or whatever we need to do. We're probably just gonna show you how it looks outside, or how the motion is gonna be. And
Yeah.
next year's supposed to be 70 degrees. We don't know what that is, but it just said. It's always follow the directions.
And plus, and if you're gonna help us, please bring a lighter.
Yep.
Yeah. Every one of y'all that wanna help us, just bring a lighter if you want to, cause we need a lighter. My cousin lost his.
Look at all that.
Got all of this, you see that, and then half of Big Mama's right here. All of this is half of Big Mama. All of it. Big Mama is actually huge. She's actually about bigger than a little kitten or a human size, or a rhinoceros. Wait, that's impossible. I'm freaking getting missed because we freaking got this part.
Crap. No.
What?
That doesn't work. No, that work, but for now.
Now I gotta spray this to make the powder stay on, right?
Hey, you do not be enough right there.
Yeah. Now I gotta spray this. No, we gotta make a like we should put like 4 black cats on the other end.
Yeah.
Those are the only two black.
Spray on the green tips. It's not bad though.
Spray on the powder.
Now remember, get alcohol swabs.
And swap them. I got one. This, and plus the Big Mama can be deadly. Okay.
Yeah, make sure to bring like a whole packet of these just in case like you don't in your face.
And plus, please keep children away from the Big Mama.
We don't want y'all to sue us.
Cause
Don't put too much. Just do like that.
So it won't
Put
get
them around.
too much.
Alright, it should be like looking like colorful.
Yeah, it should be looking like this. Like a little bit pinkish.
Pinkish, yellowish, whatever. They're mostly pinkish.
Mostly pinkish because there's a lot of...
Make sure you put some on the tape so the tape will come on fire too.
You need a tape to get on fire too. So it can make it more powerful.
Some on the tip.
You think that's good enough?
Maybe, probably. Something like that. Alright, ready?
Yeah, I'm doing. Please keep children away from this thing.
And with tape.
Tape.
Now how are you supposed to be doing it like that?
Like this. Like this. Oh, this is nice.
Like that.
Right, get the tape, get the tape, get the tape. Look at this Big Mama.
Looks beautiful.
Just get it on one part of that.
Go real quick.
Why? And the tape has to be thick enough. Thick.
We're doing it because we're damaged by fireworks and we're already used to it.
Yeah, like
We're hit by like a giant firecracker.
one time. We got hit by one, and it hurt. It hurts, but you gotta take it down. You gotta keep it, and don't be too close because you probably catch a fire and your ears probably pop. You know what I mean?
Yeah, make sure to put like earplugs on.
And you should put some gas around here.
Are you not gonna be enough?
No. Boy.
It's about to be an hour.
Yeah. And the big mama
Is officially done.
Yeah.
We're just gonna save this or just
Yep.
put some hot sauce. I'm gonna go get my hot sauce.
And please subscribe this video. And to you, bye.